What happened after you finish paying your gadget on home credit? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain what happens after you finish paying your gadget on home credit. First, open your home credit app and go to your loans section. Check your account and make sure your balance is now zero. Once your loan is fully paid, your account will be marked as completed or closed. This means you no longer have any monthly payments to worry about. Now here's the good part. If you paid on time, you build a good credit history. This can help you get better loan offers in the future. After that, you may start receiving new offers. Home credit can send you cash loan or installment offer once you qualify again. Also, you now fully own the item. There are no more obligations. It's completed yours. If you want, you can apply again. Just wait for a new offer in the app or notification before applying for another loan. Example, if you finish paying your phone for 12 months without missing any payment, you may receive a new loan offer with a higher limit next time. Tip: always pay on time. Even after finishing one loan, your payment history affects your future approvals. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.